When you know what realtors and lenders' biggest needs are, you got them. They're not going to tell you what their needs are. I'm going to give you some NAR statistics. When you talk to realtors and lenders, never use the word National Association of Realtors. When you say the word National Association of Realtors to me, it tells me you're new to our industry. I had a group of 26 Keller Williams agents. And I always start, whether it's a one individual, 5, 10, I don't care how many it is, I start with this. Let me share some NAR statistics with you. I'm sure you're familiar with, you may have forgotten them, but here they are. 77% of the home buyers surveyed said they were happy with their realtor. 77% were happy with their realtor. 74% said they're going to use that same real estate agent again. But only 9% actually used the same realtor the second time. Only 9%. Tell me why. 26 realtors in the room, that room went dead silent. Well, here's another statistic from NAR. I know you've probably forgotten it as well. NAR's done a lot of surveys, and here's one of them. NAR surveyed homeowners. Homeowners that had been in their homes 3 years and longer. After 3 years, 88% of the homeowners could not even remember the name of their realtor they worked with in buying or selling their last home. I said, guys, after 3 years, 88% of them can't even remember who you are. Tell me why. And it went silent again. I mean, we're cutting them deep. Tell me why. David, we told you we don't follow up. Okay, then tell me why you don't follow up. Well, David, we're just so busy, we don't have time. Here's how you describe Recamp. I said, what if there was a system out there that could take those past clients and set your past clients up for referrals? Referrals from their friends, family, and sphere of influence. And then notify you by email what marketing piece went out, what day that marketing piece went out, what client that marketing piece went to, and your client's phone number. To where all you have to do when you get the email is just pick up the phone, make a warm phone call because your clients have already been set up for you, chit-chat a while, and pick up referrals. How many of you in the room, there's 26 of them, how many of you in the room would like to participate in a program like that if there was no cost to it, to you at all, and it went on up to 5 years? Show of hands. 26 realtors in the room, 26 hands went up. I said, that's Recamp.